how to factory data reset using the hardware buttons on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Next, we need to power off the device, so swipe down at the top and then swipe down again. Next, in here, tap on the power button. On the power menu, tap on power off, then tap on power off. Now allow the phone to completely switch off, so wait for a few seconds. Once the phone has turned off completely, you need to plug your phone into a USB-C cable and into your computer. So make sure your computer is switched on. It can be a Windows computer or a Mac computer, but it needs to be turned on. Okay, so plug in the power cable or the charger cable. Now just wait for a few seconds until you see the charging information appear on the screen. So here is the charger icon, plug in. At the bottom here, it should show a charging information down here. So the charging status is at the moment 92%. Okay, after that, what we need to do is press and hold on the volume up button plus the side key. So simultaneously press on both buttons. So let's do it now. Press and hold on both buttons. So that's the volume up button plus the side key. Now press and hold until you see the recovery menu. So continue to hold the buttons. Once you see the Android recovery menu, what we're going to do is we're going to press on the volume down button to go down to the next menu item. So you want to go down to where it said wipe data or factory reset. Once you see that, you press on the side button here. And from here, you press on the volume down key to go to the next item. So you can cancel or you can go to factory data reset. Now once you select factory data reset, simply press on the side button to proceed. Once you do this, the phone will go ahead and reset without giving you warning. So be careful if you have data that you haven't backed up. Make sure you back up the data before you perform a factory reset. You can back up to Android Cloud, Samsung Cloud. You can back up to your PC computer, but just make sure you back up your data before your factory reset. So all your pictures, documents, everything will be gone. So make sure you do that. Once you're ready, just press on the power button and the phone should be resetted in a few seconds. Down here, it will show you the status of the reset. And that's it. For now, I do not want to reset my device, so I will cancel instead. And that is how you can perform a full reset or a master reset on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.